Hey guys, this is Sam with Summit Hydraulics, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing of one of our third function valve kits that we have here. Getting into it, you'll be getting your instructions. This will be the complete set of instructions for the whole kit. Turning it over here, you'll have your QR code. This will be what you'll want to scan to pull up the instructions. From there, it'll pull up a PDF file of all the instructions there. From there, you'll have your spool valve. I have it out of the box here, as you can see. This is what would mount onto what we have here, our aluminum manifold with the 4 screws. Moving on from there, you'll get your joystick with the 2 buttons, as well as your harness, and then you'll get some couplers in your bag. So you'll have some adapters, some bulkhead fittings, and then some zip ties for routing some of the lines, and then your bracket for the valve body itself, and then your loader crossbeam bracket along with the U-bolt to fasten onto the end of your loader. From there, you'll get 4 hoses total. 1 will be a pressure, 1 will be a tank return, and 2 will be the A and B lines that will extend out to the end of your loader for your couplers. That is everything that comes in our third function valve kit for one of our Kubotas. If you want to find one of our kits on our site, go to the summit-hydraulics.com, and in the search box you'll want to type in your tractor model there, and that's where you'll find your tractor.